Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a project here this morning. We have a driveway and a pull deck that we're cleaning, sanding, and sealing. So let me walk you around and show you what it looks like right now. Okay, so we have this two-car driveway. It's really nice pavers. There's some rust stains down there. We're starting to pre-tree a little bit. They don't want to change the pavers out, so more than likely these will just come back again. And walkway going up to the front, and then the front porch area. Then we have an overlay pull deck here in the back, partly covered, partly not. And we have a couple of loose pavers down here that we're going to lift and reset for them. And then over along this side, these are pulling up. The slab is starting to crack and separate a little bit. Okay, so that's the project here for this morning. Let's get moving. It's going to be another hot one. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. Got our 3-step cleaning process done. I'll let this dry up overnight, come back in the morning and put the sand down, lay a sealer. Yeah, big difference. Things were a lot dirtier than they looked. Okay, we'll see you back here in the morning. Okay, so we're back here at our driveway and pull deck sealing. We got everything started to sand. We got the front all sanded up. John's in the back making some repairs. I'll take you back and show you what that's looking like. Okay, so we're all sanded in here. Got everything blown off. Drains all taped up. Replaced a couple of pavers over here. Fix these along this side. And we leveled all these out coming along this edge here. Okay, so now time to mix up some sealer and lay some juice down. So let's get moving. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me take you around the back, show you what that looks like first. So much better. That was the best we could do, is blending the paver part that was covered versus the outside, but looks a lot better. Matches in a whole lot better too. Okay, and then here's the front driveway, walkway area. Man, these turned out super nice. Kind of hard to see the sheen on them because the sun's directly above us, but man, they look fantastic. These are the kind of results you're looking for on your pavers. Reach out, give us a call. You can contact us at 813-853-3557 or visit our website at www.supremetapabay.com. All right, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We'll see you at the next job.